Every drop of soy sauce begins here, with a single soybean grown under care.
Soil structure and moisture are measured before the season begins. Precision seeding keeps every plant evenly nourished.
Watering cycles are timed to avoid stress and prevent mold.
Months of growth bring the pods to full maturity.
Harvest happens only when protein and moisture ratios meet spec. Mechanized harvest protects the beans from bruising and contamination.
Initial cleaning happens right here, in the field.
Speed and sealed transport keep the raw material fresh. From here, the process becomes fully controlled. Each batch is checked the moment it arrives. Random sampling ensures traceable quality.
Moisture and impurity tests come first.
Only beans within the safe moisture window proceed.
Mechanical screening removes dust and broken fragments.
Even microscopic metal risks are eliminated early.
Optical sorting keeps only the best beans for fermentation.
Soaking hydrates the beans evenly before cooking.
Uniform hydration prevents uneven steaming later.
After soaking, beans are drained to a precise moisture level.
The line stays sealed to protect cleanliness.
Pressure steaming softens beans and sterilizes them.
Heat unlocks proteins for the enzymes to work later. Rapid cooling brings beans to the exact range for inoculation.
Temperature must fall into a narrow window before we add the starter. Koji starter brings the enzymes that create soy sauce flavor.
Mixing continues until every bean is lightly covered. Roasted wheat adds depth and a subtle sweetness. Cooling stops the roast at the exact aroma point.
The roasted wheat is milled into Koji substrate.
Beans and wheat meet to form the foundation of Koji.
Coating thickness is checked by hand for consistency.
Koji grows best when spread thin and even.
Trays enter a climate-controlled Koji room.
Temperature and humidity guide the starter into life. Koji spreads, releasing enzymes that will shape the sauce. Turning prevents hot spots and keeps growth even.
A sweet, nutty aroma signals readiness.
Mature Koji is now ready for brining. A carefully prepared salt brine creates the next fermentation stage.
Koji and brine meet to form Moromi.
This slurry will ferment slowly over time.
pH, temperature, and salinity are locked into the safe zone. Moromi moves into sealed tanks for long fermentation. Sampling happens without opening the tanks.
We confirm microbiological safety at every stage.
Salinity and pH must stay stable for clean flavor. Periodic agitation keeps enzymes working evenly.
This quiet activity is flavor being built, day by day.
Over time, enzymes and microbes deepen the aroma and umami.
Color and aroma are checked manually to confirm maturity.
Temperature stability keeps the flavor clean and balanced.
Protein breakdown is measured to verify umami strength. Once approved, Moromi is pumped for separation. Slow pressing draws out the raw soy sauce.
This is raw soy sauce, pure, aromatic, and unrefined. Solids are diverted into a separate closed stream. Next, we stabilize the sauce for safe and shelf life.
Heat neutralizes unwanted microbes while preserving aroma.
Filtration smooths the texture and clarifies the color. Centrifugation removes microcells without stripping flavor.
Final balancing ensures every batch tastes the same.
A short resting phase lets flavors round out. Bottles are sterilized and dried before filling.
Automation keeps spacing perfect and sterile.
Each bottle receives the exact volume, no more, no less. Sealing locks in aroma and safety. Leak testing prevents any compromised seal. Labels are applied for internal tracking and consumer info, without clutter. Batch codes enable full traceability. Vision systems verify fill level, cap fit, and label placement. Bundles are secured for transport. Cartons protect the product without any branding on the line.
Sealed cartons head to palletizing and storage.
Robotic stacking keeps every pallet stable and uniform. Stretch wrapping protects the load during storage and transport.
Wrapped pallets flow automatically to cold storage. Operators confirm stability before storage. Cold storage keeps flavor stable until shipping.
Pallets are stored with millimeter accuracy.
Inventory is verified without showing any on-screen text. When orders trigger, pallets move to shipping. A sealed truck ensures clean delivery. Loads are locked into guides to prevent shifting. Distribution begins, factory to kitchens worldwide. After months of care, the sauce is clear, stable, and ready. The finished flavor, deep, balanced, and naturally fermented.
Every bottle follows the same rigorous path.